There is no use in investing time and money to build a beautiful website if your customers can't find it. But how can you make sure your site stands out so that your ideal customer reaches you? Hi everyone, I am Shiv Gupta and today I am going to break down easy SEO ideas that will blow up your traffic to 3x, 5x or even 10x. So let's start with strategy number 1. Combine pages around the same topic. Here is what people don't know. If you have two pages that are on one topic and they cover pretty much the same thing, Google won't know which page to rank. It confuses Google. So what you are better off doing is combining the pages, combine the content. Having one detailed page, then you should have a higher ranking. Now, when you combine the pages, you have to pick the stronger one, the one with better ranking, the one that has more authority and traffic. Take the other one with less authority and do a 301 redirect. Strategy number 2. Search for the keywords that you are trying to rank on Google. See, people used to believe that if you want to rank at the top, it is all about keywords in your title tag and in your meta description, but it's not true. Because if your title tag just says marketing guide for beginners, learn marketing, marketing today, and that was your title tag versus the marketing guide for beginners, learn marketing in 5 minutes. The second title is more appealing, even though it may not have as many keywords in theory. So look at the Google Ads and top ranking competitors for the title ideas, which you can then take for your landing page. Number 3. Create a video content on your top performing content pieces. Look, yes, Google is the most popular search engine, but what most people don't know is YouTube is the second most popular search engine. So take your best performing articles and create videos like I am doing here and pop them on YouTube. Because if you do that, you will get one more click and then they will start doing better. So make sure you create a video on all your most popular pieces of content. Try to keep your videos around 5 to 10 minutes long. If people are searching for those topics, you are going to get ton of SEO traffic from it. Number 4. So AMB pages is a form of accelerated mobile pages, and what it does is just make your content load faster for mobile devices. This really helps you to boost your traffic on mobile devices. Number 5. Use structured markup. This will help you increase your chances of getting SERP snippets. You know, whenever you search for something and then see a little brief at the top and Google just pulling from it, that is an example of SERP snippet. It is the easiest way to boost your click-through rate because sometimes you have star ratings in there. Things like that make people want to click through. So this is the ending of this video. If you have questions, leave a comment below. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell other people about it. Until then, keep moving forward. Bye-bye.